Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering parts and positioning the press. This saves time. Once the artwork is trimmed to the die size, place the shell face down, then the art, then the mylar. Make sure to load the correct die into the machine. Alignment matters, so adjust the stop if images shift. Tighten the locking knob, but not fully. You want smooth rotation. You're now ready to pull the first lever with gentle, steady force to crimp the shell onto the pinback. Now you focus on forming and precise assembly. You place the assembled shell and mylar into the crimp die, then pull the lever until you feel the first click. Rotate 90 degrees and repeat to seat the image evenly. Once formed, move the piece to the final press die with the pinback in place. Align the pin so it will close properly. Press firmly until the second, deeper click secures the back. If alignment shifts, stop and reseat the parts before the final press. You finish by checking each button visually and mechanically. Test the pin closure and feel for loose edges. If the artwork is misaligned or the mylar wrinkles, recut the graphic to the die dimensions and repress. Do not force the press repeatedly because heat and stress warp parts. If pins won't seat, clean the die and check for debris. One key troubleshooting tip: when buttons split or snap, reduce lever speed and verify die calibration before repeating the step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.